case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 1963 case, Butner v. Neustadter, heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, centered around the idea that if someone misses an important court deadline due to an honest mistake or other excusable reason, they have the right to request the court to set aside a default judgment, and that the court has the power to do so if necessary. The case involved an Arkansas resident who was served with a lawsuit while in Los Angeles over a promissory note by an assignee. The defendant failed to respond, and a default judgment was issued for over $20,000, along with interest and attorney fees. In response, the defendant attempted to remove the lawsuit to federal court and filed a motion to set aside the default judgment. Initially, this motion was granted, but later the decision was changed and the default judgment was reinstated. The defendant then appealed, arguing that the removal statute should have been given priority. The appeal was heard by the United States Court of Appeals, with jurisdiction based on 28 U.S.C. Section 1291, 1958. The court considered the default judgment, the defendant's attempt to remove the lawsuit to federal court, and the motion to set aside the default judgment. Ultimately, the court held that the order reinstating the default judgment against the defendant was reversed, and the case was remanded for further proceedings in line with the court's opinion. In this decision, the court emphasized the need for district courts to follow guidelines for setting aside a default judgment based on a defendant's motion, highlighting the importance of providing legal recourse for individuals who may have missed crucial deadlines due to excusable reasons or honest mistakes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.